Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to configure Google Drive download node in N8n. This is incredibly useful if you want to automate file downloads from your Google Drive directly into your workflows, saving you time and streamlining your processes. Let's walk through this step by step. First, open your browser and navigate to n8n.io. Once you're on the home page, you'll need to type in your credentials to log in. After successfully logging in, you'll be directed to your N8n dashboard. This is your central hub for managing all your workflows. Now, look at the top right corner of your screen where you'll find the Create Workflow button. Go ahead and click on it to begin setting up your new workflow. After clicking that button, you'll be directed to your N8n Workflow Editor. Here you'll notice two options for creating your workflow. The first is to build it manually using the Add First Step option, and the second is to build with AI. For our purposes today, we'll be going with the manual approach to ensure you understand each part of the configuration process. To configure Google Drive download on your N8n workflow, click on Add First Step from your editor screen. When you do this, a right side panel will appear with various options. Locate the search bar within this panel and type in Google Drive. From the search results that appear, click on Google Drive. Once selected, you'll be presented with a list of actions you can choose from. For this tutorial, click on Download File, since that's the specific action we want to configure. Once the download file action has been added to your workflow, a parameters window will appear on your screen. This is where you'll fill out the necessary fields to connect your Google Drive. Start by creating a new credential. Click on the credential to connect with drop-down menu under the Google Drive account window. You'll see an option that says Sign in with Google. Click on it and simply log in with the Google account that is linked to the Google Drive you wish to configure. This step authenticates N8n to access your Google Drive files securely. Once you've logged in successfully, click on Save to store your credentials. Now that your Google account is added and authenticated, click on the resource drop-down to choose the download options available. Under the Operations field, since we're specifically looking to configure downloads, make sure the Operation field is set to Download. This ensures that the node will perform the download action whenever it's triggered in your workflow. And that's it. You've successfully configured the Google Drive download node in N8n, allowing you to automate file downloads directly from your drive into your workflows. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.